Good morning, everybody. My name is Raquel Bautista Rodriguez, studying of Bachelor in English as a foreign language at the Universidad Nacional Abierta y Aislada UNA. Okay, today I'm going to explain the aptitude test system general. What is the purpose of this exam? General aptitude is an exam that aims to perform a central grammar and vocabulary test that is combined with other components of reading comprehension, writing expression, listening comprehension, or oral expression. It is flexible because it allows you to evaluate all skills in an individual way. Aptitude General seeks to be a basic English assessment tool to test the comprehensive language application capability of high school and college students. Aptitude General can be used to train corporate employees or evaluate the English proficiency of job seekers. What kind of people can take this exam? It is a multi-level English test created by members of the British Council. It is created for adults from 60 years of age and unlike their programs. This test is flexible and it is constantly being updated to adapt to the current basis of linguistics. What is the main goal of the exam? Certificate knowledge in English language to anyone who wants it, in the skill of reading and listening comprehension, oral and writing expressions combined with a grammar, traits, and vocabulary. What are the most significant characteristics of the exam? Aptitude exams are getting a lot of stress lately. Certificates by the British Council are being the alternative to Cambridge exams, since it's beginning to be recognized by many institutions. Unlike the exam in Aptitude General, you examine yourself without the possibility of suspending. That is, you take the exam and depending on your result, you are assigned levels between A1 and B2, sometimes C. If you want to certificate a higher level, you will have to do the aptitude advanced in order to obtain a result of C1 or C2. What skills are evaluated through the exams and how are they evaluated? Aptitude tests assess the next skills in English, grammar and vocabulary core, reading, listening, writing, and speaking. How are they evaluated? Grammar and vocabulary core, this test is structured in two parts, one about the grammar and one about vocabulary. Test designs, part 1 grammar, part 2 vocabulary. Time estimated to develop it, 25 minutes. Reading skills, the reading comprehension test consists of 4 different exercises. Test designs, part 1 sentence comprehension, part 2 text cohesion, part 3 short text comprehension, part 4 long text comprehension. Time estimated to develop this exam is 30 minutes. In listening skill, the oral comprehension test is divided in 3 types of exercise in which the listener's attention must be focused on certain information. Time 30 minutes. In writing skills, the writing expression activity has 4 past activities. Write basic personal information on form, write personal information, respond to a writing question on a social network website, write an informal email to a friend and a formal mail to a unknown person. Time 50 minutes. In speaking skill, the oral expression exercise also consists of 4 activities with a limited time. Time 12 minutes. Activities to develop, respond to 3 personal information questions, describe a picture, describe 2 contrasting pictures, and 3 questions on an abstract topic. Here you find some examples about how you are going to develop in aptitude general test. Who take that exams in the future? Why? It is possible to present it in the future since one of these advanced slides in our more modern content adapted to real life. Great easy update, cheaper price, and great speed with receiving tools. After general examination without the possibility of suspending, that is, you perform the exam and depending on your result, you are assigned a level between A1 and B2, sometimes C level. Okay, thank you. That is all. Thank you to watch my video and listen to. Bye.